Good morning, you guys. This is Tony. I do apologize that everything else got too late last night and too early, and Amtrak is heading my way, and I do apologize that I'm afraid that I won't be able to catch anything else after the Amtrak due to work on 11:36. So just bear with me here, but hopefully a lot of good stuff will come by later tonight, though. Yeah, no, uh, ho- hopefully, hope, hopefully hopefully tomorrow's gonna be a better day and stuff, and hopefully this whole weekend's gonna be busy, and same with Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and hopefully I can get a little bit of stuff on Thursday before I have to leave for my trip and all that. So here it is. Here it is. Hello, Impact. Here it is. Now we have Taco Bell and Red Park Coach. Ha ha ha! No no. Ha ha ha! No no. 4706. Yeah. Nice one there. All right. There you go, down track. Since the track completely shut up for a very long time, I'm afraid I gotta go. So I'll talk to y'all later tonight. Have a good one, you guys.